Stealing fucking money. Stealing fucking cash. That's what it's all about at Stu Feiner and StuFeiner.com. Whether it's on the internet, whether it's paying my godfather, your godfather, my father, Howie Feiner, or paying me, live or on the net, all we do is fucking win. And no one owns the Bulls like your source, Stu Feiner. Yesterday, as advertised, sweeping the board in the two strongest bowl games year to date. As early, I told everybody to bet Pittsburgh on the money line that they would win the game outright. We did not need the 6. We did not need the 7. It went as high as 8. We didn't need the fucking points. Pittsburgh was going to win the game outright, and they did. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Then the night game, where I told everybody to hook up the parlay of Utah State and the under, Utah State and the under, Utah State and the under. When every sucker and their mother's going, Stu, do you realize Northern Illinois was ranked a little while ago before they got their ass kicked in by Bowling Green? Do you realize we have no fucking idea who plays on Utah State? Do you realize that Northern Illinois opened a 3-point favorite and now Utah State is 2.5? Stu, everybody's betting Northern Illinois. How does the line go the other way? Well, again, if 14,000 people bet Northern Illinois, but I came in and bet $30 million on Utah State, that trumps the suckers on Northern fucking Illinois, motherfucker! And that's what it's all about. And that's how we win in the bowls. When you get the right information from the right people, I consistently win. Now, as you know, over the last 32 years, I've hit 59% in pros, 61% in college. This year, over 70% in the pros, over 80% in college. And again, in the bowls, I am so far a perfect 3-0. 3-0, 3-0 on my best bets. Last Saturday, it was Colorado State. And we had a 3-1 Saturday. And then yesterday was 2 human fucking locks. Again, let me repeat. Pittsburgh fucking outright and Utah State and the under. Utah State and the under. Utah State and the under. Now listen, listen, listen. Going forward, you pay me, I make you fucking money. You pay me, I save you money. Between myself and the Godfather today, we will go 3-0, 3-0, 3-0 in the fucking bowls. And I have up a personal play in the bowls. Now listen, also, NBA and college basketball is on the card. I will fucking sweep. On the free pick phone right now, you have all 3 over-unders in the bowls. All 3 over-unders in the college bowls. Absolutely free on a recorded message. Call the free pick phone 800-982-2211. 800-982-2211. Let's rock and roll. Let's go bowling. From me, your source, Stu Feiner.